Ma'am Stella, ito po yung kabuuan, the whole length of the ballroom, ballroom C, B, and A. And then, ito na po yung sa loob ng ballroom C. Is the area. What I'm focusing now is the stage. This is the ceiling portion of the ballroom.